Hi viewers, you're welcome back. If you're willing to relocate to Canada with your family and you're serious about it, come closer. Today I want to share with you one of the easiest pathway to come to Canada. You might have heard about this pathway, but probably you are never serious with it. I tell you, people are using this pathway to move to Canada and it is so easy. This pathway is absolutely free. Everything about your relocation cost will be covered by your employer. In fact, your settlement, your accommodation, your flight ticket, everything about your settlement, bringing you over to Canada with your family and settling down in Canada would be borne by your employer. You do not need proof of funds, you do not need health. There are no age limits. You do not need LMIE, that's the Labor Market Impact Assessment, because these particular organizations that I will be showing you are appointed by the government of Canada to recruit overseas workers, people from foreign countries, to move into the province of New Brunswick. Because New Brunswick is one of the four Atlantic provinces in Canada, and their official language is French and English. And so because they have a very low population, they are looking for people that are willing to come into Canada and reside and work in the province of the New Brunswick. So if you're willing to move into this province, please, I want you to follow me through, because I'll be taking you through this pathway and I'll be showing you the requirements and even the eligible employers. For this route, you can move with your family, and it is a permanent residency pathway. Now, this particular pathway is a 5-year pilot program that is initiated by the government of Canada for the province of New Brunswick. So it started in November 2022 and it will run through to 2027. So you are still eligible to apply. The good part of this program is that your employer is going to help you process your work permit, and they are going to issue you 5 years work permit. Your employer is going to, submit your application on your behalf. They are going to apply for you to the province of New Brunswick that they are bringing you in. So even the process is going to be seamless for you, because your employer will be absolutely involved in the processing. And after your employer must have gotten your 5 years work permit for you, your husband is also going to get an open work permit. That means it's going to be able to work as well in Canada, and your children will also be eligible for free education, and you can move into Canada with your family at no cost, free of charge. Your employer is going to take care of everything. Also, the good side of it is that after you must have come into Canada with your family and worked for this employer for 1 year, you are eligible and qualified for the Canadian experience class. That means you and your family members can apply for permanent residency in Canada after working for just 1 year, even though you'll be given 5 years work permit. But after you must have worked for your employer for 1 year, you are qualified to apply for permanent residency, you and your family, under the Canadian experience class. If you are finding value in this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much. And if you have any question, you can drop it for me in the comment section. So another interesting thing about this is that your employer would even provide you education support. That means if you get to Canada, you start working for your employer and you want to further your education, probably you already have your BSc and you want to go for masters or whatever, your employer is going to support your education. It's going to give you financial support. What is this program all about? This program is called the New Brunswick Critical Worker Program. Right now we're on the website of the New Brunswick and we'll be looking at it together. The New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program is 5 years pilot program that addresses critical labor shortages in various sectors and across different regions in the province. The pilot program was created to attract skilled workers to occupations that have been and will continue to be. No, now mark this, it will continue to be, difficult to fill in New Brunswick in the years to come. So it's still very opened. You can apply. The New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot is an employer-driven stream based on targeted recruitment for skilled workers, and therefore candidates' application to the pilot program are made through participating employer. The program does not accept direct application from interested candidates, so your employer is going to be the one to apply for you. So I'm going to show you the list of the participating employer. Employer participating in the pilot program are selected based on demonstrated experience and consistent use of both provincial and federal economic immigration program. Who are these participating employers? We have aquaculture, and is specialized in marine farming, all kinds of seafoods. That's what they specialize in. We have JD Havens Limited. This company is into agriculture. These companies are big, huge companies that are well known in North America. JD Havens specializes in agriculture, retail and distribution, and construction. The third one is Group Savoy. It specializes in hardwood products, timber, and all manner of wood production. And the fourth one is Group Westco. This specializes in poultry factory, like chickens. They deal with chickens, livestock, meat, eggs, and all kinds of poultry farming. Then we have Imperial Manufacturing Group. This deals in metal and plastic heating, ventilators, construction, and the likes. Then we have McCain Foods. McCain Foods specializes in everything potatoes, fresh potatoes, anything that just has to do with potatoes. And these 6 companies are huge companies, and some of them even have locations in the US and all over the place. So how can you apply? All you need to do is to prepare your resume. Make sure your resume is in Canadian format. If you're finding it hard to create a Canadian format resume, let me know in the comment section. We have 6 companies, so I don't want this video to be too long, so I will just take McCain Foods Limited as an example to show you how to apply. So now let's go. So we are on the career page of McCain Foods Limited, and we are going to search the various job opportunities that they have readily available. Now, this particular organization, the 6 companies that I listed earlier, you can find their job postings on Job Bank, LinkedIn, Indeed, on their website. So just make sure that you tailor your search to the positions they have in New Brunswick, because it's only New Brunswick that opens this pilot program, because they have locations in other parts of the country. So if you don't know how to navigate your way, especially on the job bank, because it's a wide job platform, that if you don't know how to navigate and narrow your search down to suit your purpose, you might just be wasting your time. Like there are different links you can search for jobs on Job Bank. If you are not within Canada and you are looking for job on Job Bank, just directly like that, without searching thoroughly for jobs that are available for foreigners outside Canada, then you might be wasting your time. So if you want me to take you on a step-by-step tutorial on how to navigate and narrow down your job search on Job Bank, let me know in the comment section. If I have 50 people that wants me to take you through to see jobs that have visa sponsorships and recruiters that are willing to recruit people from outside Canada, if I have about 50 people, just type interested in Job Bank tutorial. So without wasting much of your time, we are on McCain Foods Limited career site, and will be, if you are here, I'm going to drop the link in the description box. They have positions for manufacturing, information technology, engineering and technical, sales, agriculture, human resources, supply chain and logistics, marketing, research and development, procurement, finance, quality and food safety, general and administration, communication, even students and graduates. That's for people in Canada. Customer service. So whichever industry you have experience in, these are the job categories. Like I said, they are big companies and they have different locations even in Australia, United States, everywhere. So when you get to the website, you select location. You want your location to be New Brunswick because they are the ones that have this pilot program opened. So just select New Brunswick. So we have 235 results for New Brunswick. So you can see they have general laborer, they have potato truck driver. These are the open position in New Brunswick. Production manager training. They have manager, food safety and quality, shipper, general laborer, farm operator, potato truck driver, potato grader, site supervisor. They have a long list. We can move to the next page. They need so many people. Global digital product lead, both skilled and unskilled labor. That's what they need. Salesforce, shift manager, general laborer, occupational health lead, general laborer, prep food, pockets, a wide range of it. I cannot just continue to do this. Look at the third page. They have a long list of open positions. Just keep checking until you find the one that matches your experience. Some of them you do not even need qualification for it, like the unskilled, job opportunities. But if you're a skilled worker, you want to look for the one that matches your qualification and experience. Okay, let's pick one and try to apply. Just click on whichever one that matches your qualification or experience. This is how to apply. Then you click on apply now. So all you need to do is just to upload your resume. You upload your resume and you fill in these details: your first name, your middle name, your last name, your email, and your address, your city, your mobile number, your country. So they even allow you to select country, so you know that it is even also available for foreign workers. Your province, that's your state. From your country, if you have a LinkedIn account, you put it, are you willing to relocate? See, they are asking you here, are you willing to relocate? So you definitely click yes. Then location desired, definitely it should be New Brunswick, because of this pilot program that I'm talking to you about. So I don't want this video to be too long. If this is so voluminous, I can't cover everything on a video. So if you want me to show you, if you want me to create another video taking you through the process for each of the 6 companies, if I also have 50 people saying I'm interested in the other 5 companies, then you can drop it for me in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be posting a new video soon, so that YouTube can notify you and you can take advantage of the opportunities. Then I wish you the best of luck till I see you in my next video.